DIY! Well, the idea is that instead of going to an architectural firm to get a design for a property, users can go to an online database of pre-existing designs by typing in different parameters of their requirements, such as residential, their budget, the size of the land. It will spit out variations of designs that are sourced from both us as an architecture firm, as well as from the general public, who will receive revenue when their designs are used, as well as from hosting design competitions that are designed to meet certain parameters that we set. So we're trying to source designs from as many different areas as possible while reducing the design costs for the users. I'm doing it for several reasons. Firstly, architecture students have a very low employment rate once they graduate.
And they're warned of that at the start of it.
Yeah. So to combat that, instead of having to find employment, and usually you need experience before you can get that employment, which is a bit of a paradox. So what we're doing is we're providing the opportunity for students to have experience by creating their own designs that they can upload, get approved, and earn some revenue while they're doing that.
I'm an architect as well, and I'm a foreigner. Australia has a lot of foreigners here. There is a big process to validate your degree here. So he saw another niche market. That a lot of architects they might come here, they cannot, they don't have employment, they cannot sign their projects, but there's a lot of people that are capable to design very well. So it's a way to put a lot of people capable with the customer.
So it also creates a setting where the customer can engage in the design process and have a bit more personalization for their designs, as opposed to being alienated from the architectural firm that's designing for them. And if the same designs are used over and over again, it also reduces the costs, because instead of designing for one person, one-off cost, that's the end, you can reuse the same designs. So it's more efficient in terms of workload, and it saves money on the end of the customer as well, and probably some time. It's starting off as architecture, and down the road it could definitely go into industrial design, where you could say you want this interior design, these furniture fittings, and customize it down to the smallest detail.
Brilliant.